ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀಡೆ. This is the quality of
ಫೋನ್ಸ್.
how the edges, the dots. These are all seeds.
Crazy.
We'll take this. Yesterday there were some amazing birds in Kalpadu. Amazing experience.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
Oh yeah.
ಓಕೆ.
Won't believe. Elephants, deers, huge numbers. Huge, hundreds.
ಓಕೆ. ಲೆಪರ್ಡ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ.
When I was scanning, I saw a lot of people getting down the hill here.
Okay.
Sheet rocks. It was very dangerous.
ತುಂಬ ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Very risky. People do not. Everybody thinks he is a hero. That he will escape. He is always has the best of his time. But for an incident to happen, it just requires a split second.
ಓಕೆ.
Before we even realize, everything would have gone in a split second.
ಯಾ.
It become adventurous when they come to jungles.
ಹೌ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ದಟ್?
It's about awareness.
Awareness.
Yeah. The thing is, most of us, they come to the jungle and they try to live the same life what they live in cities, playing loud music, making reels, talking loud. They do not pay attention to the silence that the forest or the nature provides.
Or deserves.
Forest reserves, any small patch which is not declared as a forest, you have to sit down and listen to the sounds of nature.
Yeah.
When people do that, I mean, they will have a different experience.
I have seen people, cutting birthday cakes.
Oh yeah, that is. I mean, today's generation, when they see a green patch, let's call it a forest or right. First thought is, let's go and booze there, make a party in that place.
Yes.
And if it happens to be somebody's birthday, let's go there and cut cake, spread nuisance, spread garbage. They leave beer bottles,
Yes.
they leave those boxes, cake boxes,
Cigarettes.
and chocolate wrappers, plastic,
Plastic. Yeah.
right? And most of them, they have this habit of breaking bottles wherever they go after they booze, right?
Yeah.
They smash bottles, spreading nuisance.
Correct.
That culture has to stop. That culture will only stop by awareness and realization. People should realize, the importance of nature.
And somehow the awareness should begin from schools, right?
Yeah, at the early age, earliest
Early age.
possible. It should start from home.
Yeah.
See, not everything can be taught in school, right?
Yeah.
If parents respect nature, that will automatically come as behavior among kids. Yes, schools also have some roles to play. by enlightening kids about importance of nature, wildlife, by teaching kids about behaviors of wild animals, birds, and even about trees, plants, all these things. Only by knowledge is when you become aware and responsible towards it.
Right. And also, it brings up the responsibility.
That's what. Yeah, exactly. See, most of us, we don't know the importance of the plants and trees in nature. That is where we tend to ignore, and we do not give that importance. You come here when it is not dry season, you will see a lot of water lilies.
Okay.
And it's a small patch, but it yields a lot of birds. Actually, it attracts a lot of birds. Even now, you can see so many birds. These are
Yes.
common ones, but still, this place is called Lotus Pond.
Okay.
ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ರೈಟ್, ಹೌದು.
ಒಂದು ಶವರ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
Come here, Rachit. That is a Harohalli road. Jigini Harohalli.
Rolly Road, okay.
IIM.
All right. That's the one, okay.
You can go further. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಗುಡ್ಡ ಮೇಲಿಂದನಾ?
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ इसमें ऐसे वीडियो लेगा कि डाउन से वो घास में कैसे गए, जैसे कैमरा स्लो एंगल जैसे इस पे जाता है ना स्लाइडर पे, है डिम्बल पे घास के अंदर से जाए।
बात बहुत चल रहा है इसमें, छोटा करता हूँ, थोड़ा छोटा करता हूँ, बहुत हाथ
इस तरफ देख के हाँ थोड़ा लेफ्ट को हाँ It's a very beautiful habit.
So what makes you like nature?
Everything. One thing is I can be myself when I'm in nature. I'm best part is I try to be part of it by being quiet, being observant, and listen and observe minutest of the details, especially your bird calls. There are a lot of sounds, not only birds, but even the wind, everything. It's all about observing actually. When you start these things new, you may or may not identify most of the birds or sounds, but over the time you get used to it and you start enjoying. That is what happens. Lower angle. क्या लिया बेटा?
So which is the most adventurous thing you have done in your birding as well as nature photography? is concerned?
I mean, in many instances, very difficult to choose. There has been some adventurous things which we cannot reveal it. in public,
Yeah.
Right. Some opportunity was given by forest department. Badikeri, Sakleshpur. Majority of them, they do not go to explore the place or experience the place. Their aim is to go there, booze, talk, come back. That is the aim.
Right. It is what one should contribute towards nature, right?
As I was saying, one has to have some passion, some hobby other than what we do in day-to-day life.
Right.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ವಾ ರೆಡಿ ಆದ್ವಿ,
Okay.
ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವಿ, ಆಫೀಸ್ ಹೋದ್ವಿ, ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ತಿಂದ್ವಿ, ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. What is it that you do differently from 1,000 other people that they are doing, right?
Very much.
If you have a hobby or a passion, you have a reason to wait for a weekend or that time that you will get to spend to do that thing. Not everybody is lucky to get a job for the passion that they follow, right?
Yeah, very much.
One thing people have to realize is that there are two things we do: one for the living, one for the survival. Survival is you have to earn to pay your bills, your home loans, your kids' school fees and stuffs like that. What do you do for the living, for the experience of you
Life.
being here on planet Earth, right? You have to have that passion where you wake up and enjoy that passion on a weekend or any day, whenever, wherever you get the time. Some people get to do it every day before they go to work. Some people wait for the weekend, right? There are many hobbies and interests that people can actually get into, but unfortunately for most of them, weekend means just sit at home, wake up late, go out and eat, and be a couch potato.
Being lazy.
Couch potato.
Yeah.
For me, weekend means work even harder, sweat a lot,
Okay.
and explore
Explore nature, you mean?
nature. I mean, birding has taken me to some great places. That gives me a reason to travel.
Yeah.
That gives me a reason to explore new places, identify new places. So on a weekend, usually wake up before the sunrise, try to reach the place, the target place, and plan everything accordingly, because birds wake up when the sun rises, and then the trend that you follow, even you will see that birds enjoy the sunrise every day.
You hear the calls.
In the background,
Yeah. I can relate to your words. You can see this beautiful nature, the sunrise here. And with us, we have a lot of birds.
I'll show you where we stop first in the morning ಅಲ್ವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪಾಂಡ್
ಹ್ಮ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬೇರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್ ತಗ್ಲಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೋಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಗೆ
ಹಾ,
ಬೆಲ್
ಬೆಲ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆ ಥರ
Okay.
ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓ ಬಫೆಲೋಸ್
ಹಾ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್.
अब ये भी ड्रम से करेगा क्या? अब ये भी लोग ड्रम से कर सकते हैं. स्टार्टिंग में कहीं लगा कर
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
We should go to that lake.
इंसान तो गार्डन का
Lake, two places we have to go today.
देखो
3 किलो. अंडरवाटर करेंगे आज. One type of rock is another type of rock. यहाँ पे भी देखो. अब इसी पत्थर को इसी फॉल you will see something like that. हमारे घर में है ना. Like not exactly. Oh my goodness. Tiger claw.
Oh. What does the lens में फोटो भी खींच सकते हैं.
I pulled it. Look at that top of the perch. Is that I just put. That tree will have lot of birds actually.
तो पीछे वाले टाइगर क्लॉ में नहीं दिखा था.
I'll tell you.
और उसके आगे वाले पेड़ में तो अब तक
cross that stream down Aravalli Road
Hmm.
and we came this side. There is a V junction there. I knew that other road which connects to Jaipur Doddi and other places. ಆ ಥರ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮುಂಚೆ.
ಓಕೆ
अंचेटीना
ಅಂಚಿಟ್ಟಿ
ಅಂಚೆಟ್ಟಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಇದು ಶನಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಅಬ್ಯಾಂಡೆಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಹಳ ವರ್ಷ ಪುರಾತನದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಬಾಗಿಲು ಬೀಗ ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
Make nest in these grasses. That is one thing.
Mm-hmm.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
They're all cut for cattle feeding, alla?
Yes, yes.
Very sad to see this.
Oh, possibly. Forest fire also. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೀಡೆ.
Mm-hmm.
This is the quality of fern.
Ferns.
How the edges, the dots,
Uh-huh.
these are all seeds.
Crazy.
We'll take this.
एक इधर एक इधर.
How they are seeing us. Seeing us. It's a female.
Beak.
You can take a binocular and the camera.
नीचे ऑरेंज, ऊपर पैना ब्लैक है इसमें. नीचे
Black है क्या?
हाँ, ऊपर
Orange है.
नीचे ऑरेंज है, ऊपर ब्लैक
हाँ.
है. मेरे में पूरा ब्लैक रहता है.
You can go and get the camera. Who like this?
March time enter them. अब वहाँ पर
That's a seed pod.
Mm-hmm.
Actually take it and spread it. Seed pod.
Looks like
ಬೇರೆನಾ?
ಬೇರೆ.
You'll upload on iNet or you still do it?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
These plants attract your atlas moth.
Moth. Hmm.
ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
Hmm.
You can get down on that.
Yeah. Bandu.
मैंने पकड़ के रखा बिल्कुल में
हाँ परमानेंट है
वहाँ पे था वो when we got down it grew from the bushes. इसमें देखिए
ठीक है